Hey y'all, welcome back to another slicing meat video. I'm prepping. So, y'all know about New Jersey. We are famous for our pork roll. This is called the Case Hickory Smoke pork roll, and every time I go to Jersey, I always bring one back, but this time I bought 3 back. If you watch the Sam's Club video shot with me and my sister-in-law, and I had 3 of them. Well, this is one. I got the other 2 frozen, and we're gonna get to slicing. And this is what I was telling y'all before when I was slicing up that Forest ham with my slicer. When I went to Sam's, did a Sam's haul. Well, this is one of the reasons why I had bought my slicer. I believe about 9, maybe 10 years ago, because pork roll was not sold down here in the South. And if we, whenever I went home, I always would bring me a couple packs back. But now they're starting to sell it, like at the Harris Teeters. But you're paying for the shipping, from the store, from up in New Jersey. They're shipping it down here, so it is like a delicacy item for us, sort of say. Living down here, I can get it, but we pay like $4.49 a pack, which is crazy. And you only can get it from Harris Teeter, and you only get 8 slices, and shoot, 8 slices, I can eat 4 for breakfast and then turn around and have 4 for, a late snack, or if I don't cook dinner. So yeah, we are paying for it because it does have to get shipped here to the stores. So like I said, I just try to, when I go up, I just try to bring me a roll back, but this time I bought 3. So today I am cutting it in half. And do some research on pork roll. Every year in May, they have an annual pork roll, what do you call it, sandwich festival in New Jersey. And it's kind of like on, maybe down south compared to y'all fried bologna. This is like our fried Teller ham. Or, they just call it pork roll, and it is good. Alright, so I'm going to get to slicing because it is about 9 a.m. And check the insulin, and then I got to get my breakfast on. So I gotta run to the grocery store because I'm making a fabulous dinner tonight, and I gotta go get some creamer. Alright, so that should do it. I'm not working with a lot of space here, so I'm gonna have to just turn it that way. over here melting. See all that in there? This is Jersey pork roast sandwich in a Kaiser bowl. This is what we buy on our way to work. We don't have time to cook. This is how they sell it in the corner stores. So, hopefully you can get out and look for pork roll, try it out. If you know about pork roll, drop me a comment down below and let me know if you're crazy about pork roll like I am. Once again, thank you for watching. See y'all later. Take care. Bye-bye.